Hello guys, this is my desk. You like it? Okay, let's wait. Yeah, like that. You see this one. This is my little desk like this. Okay, and have here some little cushion we made. So squishy. And have this pinky. This pinky, I like pinky so much. I made this handmade because I know you love this, guys. Like this. I'm just fixing it. This. And look, it's just so yummy. Eat it. I'm gonna eat it. I'm just joking. It's crochet. Look, it's crochet. Cocomelo is our only sayurango. Dito. I'm gonna need to meow meow. I'm gonna need to meow meow. I'm gonna need to meow meow. I like this one because this is so cutie patootie. Okay. This. I'm gonna need to meow meow. I'm gonna need to meow meow. Okay. And if you want to see all, okay, you see this. I have a toilet, mini toilet. A mini toilet is good. If you watch that other video, you can see my desk. This is my plastic TV and desk. Again, like I'm gonna go. Sorry for that. I have here a plastic table. Oh no, sorry. It's fall down. But I like this, like my little table, my mini and my shoes, mini shoes. Like this mini shoes. Bye bye guys, bye bye.